Good morning, children. Today we are going to draw the ray diagrams, simple basic structures for convex lens and concave lens. Children, as we have done for the ray diagram of concave mirror and convex mirror, that we kept 3 centimeter distance between the points P, F and C. Similarly, here we will keep distance of 3 centimeter between optical center O, F1 and 2F1 on left hand side. Here we have F1 and 2F1 on the left hand side, and for the lens we have on right hand side also principal focus F2 and 2F2. This 2F2 and 2F1 are same as center of curvature in the mirror, and F1 and F2 are same as principal focus in the mirror. So you can see I have put 3 centimeter distance between O and F1, and similarly 3 centimeter distance between F1 and 2F1. Similarly, distance between O and F2 is also 3 centimeter, and distance between F2 and 2F2 is also 3 centimeter. So now compass work, we will keep the pointed part of the compass at 2F1 first, and we will open the compass a little bit more than the O, that is optical center. इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कंपास खोलेंगे. We will put an arc of 3 lines above the principal axis as we have done in mirror. Similarly, 3 lines below the principal axis. Right? As much as we have opened the compass, same distance will be taken for by keeping the compass pointed part at 2F2. I am keeping at 2F2. Now put an arc just of the same distance, just a little bit more than the distance from O, and I will put an arc 3 lines above the principal axis and 3 lines below the principal axis. Now time to make a center line. So with the help of set square, you will put a line in between joining the center point O, optical center, in this way such that it should be meeting like this dotted lines, because whatever bending of the light ray will be there, that will be from center line. This center line, there will be bending of the line. Now it's time for concave lens. Basic structures for concave lens. How it will be drawn? Similarly, as we have done in case of convex lens, we have drawn 3 centimeter distance between O, F1, F1 and 2F1, 3 centimeter. On right hand side also, distance between O, F2 is 3 centimeter, and distance between F2 and 2F2 is also 3 centimeter. Principal axis is this center line. Now a little bit different method is there. We will put the pointed part of compass at 2F1 only, but compass will be open little bit less distance, at a less distance from O. So I will put an arc above the principal axis and below the principal axis like this. उतना ही खुला हुआ कंपास, जितना यहाँ था उतना ही खुला हुआ लेकर we will keep it at 2F2, and we will put another arc like this. Okay. So 3 lines above and 3 lines below. If by mistake you have drawn extra lines, you can rub it afterwards like this. Now we will meet these two lines with the help of set square. Join these 2 points, end points of the concave lens. We will rub the extra part, and below also I want 3 lines only. 1, 2, 3. 3 above the principal axis and 3 lines below the principal axis. So 1, 2, 3. I will join this here. Extra lines I will rub. Now with the help of set square, center line. So center point is my center line point. I will keep my set square straight like this, and then I will put the center line. Bending of the rays will be from this center line only. So center is optical center and these are the edges. Bending of rays, I mean to say, for example, if I draw the ray here parallel to principal axis, the first rule it is will go diverge from its path, but we will join the line like this. 1 and principal focus, I will join like this. These 2 points I am going to join. So this one will be dotted and this one will be dark. Put the arrows like this. And in convex lens also, parallel to principal axis, first rule, after refraction it will pass to principal focus on another side of the lens. So this point and this point I will draw like this. Put the arrow. So this way, I mean to say, bending of the ray will be done from the center of the line, and here also bending of the ray will be from the center line. I hope I am clear to you. So please take care of these points, that the distance between these reference points should be 3 centimeters and the bending of rays should be from the center line. Thank you.